For some time now, City High School Colonial Administration in Kampala has been at loggerheads with a private investor who took part of the school's land. An unknown investor is alleged to have grabbed part of the school's land and wants to develop it by setting up commercial structures. While this case is still before the courts of law, President Yoweri Museveni has broken his silence on the matter. Officiating at the school's Golden Jubilee celebrations, Museveni ordered a team of his lawyers to investigate the matter at hand.
So I want my staff, especially Susan, who is a lawyer, to follow up the issues with the headmistress. Let's get the details, and we go and chase those people. Kubambira, to shout at them, say, you go away. Mugende.
According to Museveni, such issues of land grabbing are affecting the education system. Meanwhile, Museveni pledged to improve teachers' living conditions countrywide. Museveni says teachers' houses are going to be constructed at the different government schools.
The accommodation for teachers, they come from very far, they can't accommodate decent accommodation, yet they have to be here from 6 in the morning up to 6 in the evening. And we don't have even a single house for accommodation for a single teacher.
So now that you have invited me here, I will look into the issue of accommodation for your teachers. This is because I want this model of a day school, but with day for students, but boarding for teachers. It is good because it is cheaper to provide education if you only concentrate on the study, the classroom, the library, the laboratory, the ICT laboratory, the teachers' houses.
The pledge comes at a time when teachers, especially in rural areas, trek long distances to reach at their different teaching destinations.
You know, I'm a cattle farmer. Now, when you have got a cow which walks long distances to look for pasture and for water, it will not give a lot of milk, because it will squander energy in the walking. Similarly, when teachers have got to walk or go into borders or go into taxis to and from school, they waste a lot of man hours which they could use in preparing lessons, in marking papers.
One can only wait to see when this pledge will take effect, since it comes at a time when the teachers through the umbrella or body, UNATU, have been demanding for the same. Shumim Batalwo, Dobius News.